Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have a Family Dollar 5 off $25 scenario for you all, and we have some glitches. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, now I am fairly new to couponing at Family Dollar, but I am learning, and I can tell you that the 5 off $25 coupon works basically just the same as it does at Dollar General. So what we're going to do is build our transaction up to $25 worth of products, and then we're going to start subtracting those coupons. So before you go up to the register, make sure that you verify that your subtotal is $25 or more. Keep in mind that that is before taxes. Then you want to type in your phone number and wait for all of your digital coupons to come off. If you have any paper coupons that you want to use, you can hand those over last. Keep in mind, if your subtotal isn't what you expect it to be, you can always void the transaction and try again, because your digital coupons will go directly back onto your account, and any paper coupons that you may have handed over will also still work because the transaction was never completed. And as always, make sure that you guys scan to make sure that those digital coupons attach. Alright guys, so for the scenario that I put together for y'all today, you want to pick up one of the Scott Comfort Plus bath tissues, 6 count at $3.15. Then you want to pick up one of the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergents or one of the Arm & Hammer scent boosters. Those are on sale this week for $5.50. Then pick up one of the Bic Hybrid 3 Comfort razors for $6. One of the CoverGirl eyeliner pencils, 2 count for $4.50. Now this was tagged at my store at $4.75, so that may vary from store to store, but I did end up purchasing this product while I was there, and it did ring up at $4.50. Alright, next you want to pick up one of these Suave Men's Active Sport deodorants for $1.25. Then you want to pick up one of the Axe Apollo men's deodorants at $2.75. And one box of the Craz-E Flex Fabric Bandages, 30 count for $1.25. And then last but not least, we're going to throw in this freebie. We have the 1 count Dove bar soaps for $1. Alright, now here's your complete list of all the products that you need to pick up for this 5 off $25 scenario. So again, the Scott 6 count bath tissue at $3.15, one of the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergents or the scent boosters that are $5.50. You can choose which one you want to pick up. The Bic Hybrid Comfort 3 razor at $6. The CoverGirl eyeliner 2 count pencils at $4.50. Again, it may be $4.75 at some stores. That's just how it rang up at the particular store that I was at this week, so just be aware of that. Then one of the Suave Men's Active Sport deodorants at $1.25, one of the Axe Apollo men's deodorants at $2.75, one of the Craz-E Flex Fabric 30 count bandages at $1.25, and one of the Dove 1 count bar soaps at $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.40. Alright guys, so now we're going to run through all of the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario, and you want to make sure that you have them clipped to your account before you go out shopping. Now as we go through these coupons, I'm also going to be pointing out the coupons that are glitching, okay? So first up, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25. Next, you're going to need the 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Scott bath tissue, the 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Arm & Hammer products, the 3 off 1 digital coupon for the Bic razors, the 3 off 1 CoverGirl eye products. Alright, next up we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Suave Degree or Axe men's grooming product. Now this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the Suave Men's Active Sport deodorant for $1.25. Alright, next up we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Axe stick deodorant or body spray products. Now this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the Axe 1.7 ounce deodorants for $2.75. So I always include that in the glitch category just because it is the smaller deodorants. It is not the full size deodorants that are about $6 each. Alright guys, next up we have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon for the Craz-E First Aid products. Now like I showed you all earlier in the video, this coupon is working on the 30 count Craz-E First Aid bandages for $1.25. Now you guys let me know down in the comments section, do you consider this a glitch or not? Because like I said, I'm still learning how Family Dollar works. In my mind, I would consider it a glitch because typically stores don't mean for coupons to work on $1 items, or in Family Dollar's case, $1.25 items. So you guys let me know what you think down in the comments. Is the Craz-E a glitch or not? Alright, and last but not least, we have $1.50 off one digital coupon for the Dove products. Now this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Dove 1 count bar soaps for $1. Now keep in mind, Family Dollar does not do overages, so it's only going to take off the amount of the item. So whenever you guys are tallying up your subtotal after coupons, keep in mind that this coupon will only take $1 off of that bar soap. Alright, and here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, your 1 off 1 Scott, the 2 off 1 Arm & Hammer, the 3 off 1 Bic Razors, the 3 off 1 CoverGirl, the 1 off 1 Suave Axe and Degree, the 1 off 1 Axe Deodorant, the 50-cent off 1 Craz-E, and the 150 off 1 Dove, which will subtract $1. And that is going to bring your subtotal all the way down to $7.90 for 8 items, making each one just 98 cents each. I think this is a pretty good deal considering we're getting some bath tissue, some laundry care, some razors, some other personal care items that we can all use. So I think this is an awesome deal. Now, a quick reminder before you all go, don't forget to scan your receipts into the Fetch Rewards rebate app so that y'all can earn points on those products that you purchased. Now, if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I don't know what you're waiting on. This is an awesome rebate app that I highly recommend, especially if you are a new couponer. I love Fetch Rewards because they are super simple and easy. You don't have to worry about adding anything onto your account. You don't have to worry about keeping up with anything. All you have to do is open up the app, take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points no matter what. Then you can turn those points into gift cards. So make sure that you're signed up, and if you're not, go check it out. My referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Now, just in case y'all missed it, I did want to go ahead and let y'all know that I did upload a 5 off $25 scenarios video yesterday on Friday for Dollar General. And we have a lot going on there. In that video, there's a little bit of something for everybody, whether you have a 5 off 20, a 5 off 25, a 5 off 35, if you want to do a game deal, a P&G spin deal. We've got it all covered in that video, so definitely go and check it out. And I'm going to leave all of that linked in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I just want to take a quick second to thank each and every one of you guys for clicking on this video to see what I came up with for this week at Family Dollar, because Family Dollar is, again, it's totally new to me. I'm still learning the ins and outs, so y'all just bear with me as we go along and as I learn more and get more comfortable with couponing there. I will be bringing y'all more options just like I do with the Dollar General videos. So again, thank you all so much, and if you are not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. Leave me a comment down below and let me know how you're doing today, and please share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Good luck with your deals today. Let me know how it goes, and I will see you on the next one.